Hi. Snakes often shed their skin, we all know. It is as part of re-strengthening and also removing the parasites which are on it. Similarly, humans also shed the skin but to a microscopic extent, so we are not able to notice it. The shedding of skin by snakes gives us a very important lesson of our self improvement. We should shed our negative feelings, negative thoughts, negative attitudes to replace it with positive ones so that every day we improve and in turn we are a better self today compared to yesterday. The most easiest way to do is by acquiring knowledge and applying it in your life. And the most easiest way to acquire knowledge is by reading. Warren Buffett, one of the world's richest industrialists and entrepreneur, devotes 5 hours a day for reading. Hope you are enjoying our videos. Stay tuned. Please subscribe to our videos and watch it, and we'll have more interactions. Till we meet again. Bye bye.